They move by instinct, millions strong. Meet the legendary wildebeest, masters of the Savanna's Great Trek. The annual migration culminates in terror and survival, the Mara River crossing. It's a leap of faith.
Below the surface, lurking giants wait for the weak or the slow. Danger is constant. Every second counts.
Over 600 miles they travel. Their hooves drum a symphony of resilience across the dusty plains. New life fuels the journey. Newborn calves can stand just minutes after birth to keep up. This is the Great Migration, an epic natural spectacle powered by sheer will to survive. Follow for more wildlife epics.